What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2016 Audi RS7. So I've never driven one of these earlier RS7s, so I'm excited for this video. I don't really see a whole lot of these either. It's pretty cool. Like, this interior reminds me of the Audi R8, like the steering wheel and everything, like the OG R8, and I love these shift paddles. They look really cool. You also have the RS shifter, reverse camera. But let's look at the window sticker. I'm glad this car has the window sticker so we can look at it. And this one has the Bang & Olufsen sound system with the speakers that rise out of the dash, which is so cool to me. And I love the carbon fiber trim. This vehicle has a 4-liter TFSI V8 with 560 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, quattro all-wheel drive system with sports rear differential, 8-speed Tiptronic transmission. This one had an original price of $127,745, which is pretty insane. Bang & Olufsen advanced sound system is $5,000. That's the one that will give you the speakers that rise out of the dash. Prism silver crystal effect, I'm assuming that's for the paint. Carbon optic package, driver assistance package, comfort seating package. So this is a very well-equipped RS7, that's for sure. You get 18 miles per gallon, 15 city, 25 highway. Seats are pretty comfortable, and I like the suede on the door. You also have, no, it's not a suede headliner, but you do have a black headliner, pretty big sunroof. Look at that quality. The door handle feels like some solid metal. I love that quality. And I love the Bang & Olufsen speaker grills. But let's walk around the car and see what it looks like. I love the way the RS7 looks. I love those wheels. Black grille, RS7 badge on the front. Love those headlights and the DRLs. This is a beautiful car. Well, I'm gonna open the door in a second. Yeah, the RS models give you the circle exhaust tips, as you can see right there. The regular S models have quad tips. Here are the rear seats. You also have heated rear seat function, which is great. Now let's look at the trunk. That's a lot of space. With it being a hatchback, it's real practical. I really like that. I think my camera might be angled a little weird, so hopefully you guys can see everything well. I love the carbon fiber diffuser. But let's get out on the road and see how it drives. And here's some center console storage. Just want to make sure the view is good before we get out on the road. Yep, everything looks good to me. All right, let's see if I can rev this thing up. Oh my god. This thing sounds insane. Wow. Man, am I excited to drive this car. I can already tell this thing has monstrous power. I want to see if I can change the drive modes real quick. And you can also... Oh, that's cool. If you don't want to see the screen, you can just press that button and it'll disappear. I'm trying to figure out how I can change my drive mode in this thing. That's whatever. It's going to be fast anyway. Come to think, I don't think I've ever even driven the newer RS7. I've driven the S7, but not the RS7. Oh my god. Oh, it's so fast. That's crazy. Oh my god, that is insane. Wow. God, this thing has monstrous power. What the heck? That is just stupid fast. Are you kidding me? It just like pulls like an airplane taking off. Yeah, this car is just monstrous. This thing is literally a monster. Like, I can't really explain what it feels like. It's just so, it just thrusts you forward on the road, and the way everything feels, it feels like the steering is so well tuned. The car just feels fantastic. That is just magic. How this car feels. You usually won't see a reaction like this out of me when I'm making my videos, but this is nuts. This is like how I felt when I drove the RCF recently. If you guys watched that video, I was just like blown away by, not by the acceleration in that car, but the sound of the V8. But this thing is just, the acceleration is just mind-boggling. I can't believe how fast this car is. I can only imagine, like, it's funny how this shifter looks like a manual. I can only imagine if this was a manual, how fun it would be. Oh my God. This car has 112,000 miles on it, but it certainly doesn't feel that way. It is in fantastic condition and does not drive like a 112,000 mile car either. It was well taken care of, I can say that. I love the pops and crackles from the exhaust. And the thing is about this car, like, despite how powerful it is, it feels so comfortable. The suspension feels comfortable, the ride is nice, it doesn't feel punishing at all. The shifts are really smooth. It feels great. This seems like just a ridiculous daily driver. It is awesome. I just love, and I love the style of these older Audis. Like, especially the era with these steering wheels, like, it's so cool. Feels so smooth just gliding along the road. I have like zero complaints about this car. I think it's just phenomenal. It is ridiculous how fun this thing is. What a car, man. What a car. I am blown away with the performance on this thing. Look at those pops and crackles. Wow, 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 wow. What a car. But overall, I'm sure you guys could tell how much I enjoy driving this thing. It is monstrous. It's literally like ridiculous how crazy this car is. But thanks for watching another video, Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for awesome performance cars like this one.